Hey guys, it's Kevin, and this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. No, wait, this is the S23 Ultra. Samsung's one of the first tech companies to release flagship phones in the beginning of the year, and this time is their S23 lineup, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. In this video, I'll give you my first impressions and go over what's changed since last year. But first, let's start off with the unboxing. So here's a recycled paper box. I'm not a fan of the artwork this year. It's nice that you can see the color of the phone, but there's a lot of blank space. Samsung could have at least filled the whole front with the phone like Apple and Google. On the back, there are two seals, which I'll cut with a jerry-rig knife. It's clearly the best knife. Underneath, we get the phone covered with a piece of black cardboard. And there's the S23 Ultra. Well, let's set that off to the side for now. And that's it. The accessories are under the lid, and we get the usual paperwork, USB-C to USB-C cable, and SIM ejector tool. No power brick. And here's the S23 Ultra in Phantom Black. And there are 3 other colors this year: green, lavender, cream, and they're available across the entire lineup. There's also Samsung exclusive colors only available online: graphite, sky blue, lime, and red. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, the S23 lineup has a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but Samsung did say it's optimized for Galaxy. This means the CPU and GPU are clocked slightly higher. In everyday use, I don't notice a difference in speed compared to the S22 Ultra. Both phones launch apps quickly and there are no slowdowns. However, I do notice longer battery life due to the new chip being more power efficient. I've only been using this for a few days, but one time I got 6 hours screen on time and I last charged it 48 hours ago. I'll keep an eye on the battery life for the full review, but so far it's a 2-day phone for me. Alright, the back of the phone has the same 4-camera layout but with new sensors. A whopping 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultrawide, and 2 10 megapixel telephotos at 3x and 10x. I noticed some shutter lag when quickly taking multiple photos. I saw on Twitter that there's a camera assistant app that reduces this in exchange for image quality, but I'll be sure to test this as well as the improved low light photos, stabilization, 200 megapixel mode, and the new 8K 30 FPS video recording. When looking at the S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra side by side, they're very similar. The design is basically the same as last year, but it's a tad bigger and heavier. The front and back glass is now made up of Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It's more likely to survive drops on concrete, but I'm not going to test it. The only 2 noticeable differences are 1. The larger camera bumps and rings, and 2. The sides are a lot flatter. It's not completely flat like the iPhone, but when holding it in your hand, it's more comfortable. The buttons are slightly bigger and shifted down a bit. Also, the screen barely curves over the edges. I really like it. Other than that, everything else is the same: S Pen, USB-C port, and display, which is now recycled glass. The built-in speakers on the S23 Ultra are okay, but if you want better sound, this is where the NeoBuds Pro come in. Thank you to Edifier for gifting this to me. When I first put these in my ears and played a song, I was very impressed with the audio quality. I can hear deep bass, but the highs are a little too crispy for me. But thanks to the Edifier Connect app, I can fine-tune the frequencies to my liking. These earbuds also support high-resolution audio with LHDC and LDAC, but I'm no audiophile so I can't really notice. These also have active noise cancellation and it's pretty good considering they're on sale for under $100 on Amazon. 2 things I wish these earbuds had is wireless charging and automatic play pause when the earbuds are in or out of my ears. It's not a deal breaker since these have great sound at ANC. If you're interested in the NeoBuds Pro, I'll leave a link down below. When I pre-ordered the S23 Ultra, Samsung did offer me credit, so I applied it to a few accessories. I have this super fast wireless charger duo, which can charge any combination between the Galaxy phone, watch, or buds. I also have the silicone case in cream. It's a big phone, so this case makes it a lot less slippery. In a clear case, but it's incredibly difficult to remove. I'm one of the few people that don't use the case on their phone, so back in the box they go. And that's it for my first impressions of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Will you be upgrading your phone, and what color will you choose? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!